Here's a question for you. Do you know how high the railing is on your porch or deck? It could be a matter of life or death, you know.
Tonight, Pam Zeckman investigates another porch danger, the case of a young man who fell from the second floor.
That's my main concern, is to make sure that nobody else gets hurt in this type of an accident.
An accident that happened 4 years after this porch collapse that killed 13 partygoers. That tragedy prompted the city to strengthen porch building codes. Since 2004, new porch railings have to be 42 inches high. But there are thousands of old decks across the city that are not yet up to code.
I'm heartbroken.
Jane Heflin lost her 24-year-old son, Sean, who was partying here in Lincoln Park in 2007. He fell from the second floor deck and died 6 months later.
He just wasn't able to come back.
Now the building has a new porch system with 42-inch high railings compared to the 32-inch height when Heflin fell.
That 10-inch difference in this case was the difference between no accident and serious injury and tragic death.
Heflin's mother is suing the building owner, Stamage Management, for negligence. Documents show that in the 2 years before the accident, Stamage had been cited at other buildings for various porch code violations, including the height of guardrails.
Had they taken care of it, I feel that Sean would still be with us.
Any reaction? I went to Stamage Management, where this man confirmed his name was Stamage.
You had similar violations at other buildings and didn't fix this one. That man might be alive today if that had been fixed. Reaction to that?
That you're implying your opinion on a medical situation that occurred. When you apply your opinion to a situation, it skews the report.
Witnesses said Heflin had been drinking, taking Vicodin for an injury, and was sitting on the railing when he leaned back and fell.
The purpose of this type of ordinance is to protect people sometimes from their own unwise behavior.
I hope that nobody else goes over a railing and loses their child or their loved one.
In a motion to dismiss the suit, attorneys for Stamage deny it was negligent and blame Heflin's death on his negligent conduct. They say the railing height was not the cause of the accident. The city building department says if you're concerned, measure your railings. Under 42 inches, contact your landlord and call 311 to trigger a city inspection. Rob and Kate, depending on what they find, they can order the landlord to fix those railings, cite them, and get it fixed, and whatever else is wrong with the porch.
If the railing was 42 inches, could he have even got up on it in the first place?
It would have been much more difficult. If it had been to code, it would have been very hard to get up on the railing.
Okay. Pam Zeckman, thanks.